we've explored add-ons and other Google tools, and let's go ahead and take a look at the add-ons inside of Google Forms. So what you'll notice is that I have a small puzzle piece up here. You may or may not have it. It's where my add-ons are stored here. Now to add add-ons, we come over here to the Show More buttons here, and we can click, and you notice that this is where we can find other stuff like make a copy, move to trash, print. This is how we share, we add collaborators. And down below here we have our add-ons. I'm going to click on add-ons, and that's going to take me to a similar looking panel here that was similar to what we saw in the other tools. And again, you notice that I've got several different add-ons that I can choose from here. So we're going to come up and we're going to find an add-on called Choice Eliminator. So we'll just go ahead and click on that. It's going to give us a little bit of information, and then just like the other add-ons, I'm going to click on here, click on free. It's going to say what accounts, it's going to tell me what permissions I need. I click allow, and that's going to go ahead and throw that into this menu right here. So now I have 4. All right, so let's just take a look and see how these add-ons work inside of Forms. I'm going to click onto this, and one of the ones that I really like is called Form Limiter. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on Set Limit. Now, what Form Limiter does is it allows me to set different types of limits. For example, a date and time. I can shut this form down at a certain date and time. Or if I get a number of responses. So let's say I only want 20 responses on this form. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to select my integer, which is 20. And this is the message that I'm going to send off to people once they try to get into the form once it's closed. And I'm going to see an email from me because I'm the owner. I click on Save and Enable, and that's all I have to do for Form Enabler, or Form Limiter here inside of Google Forms. Now there's several other ones here. I'm going to go ahead and close that. And Form Ranger, again, there's just lots of things you can do. Form Ranger allows you to pull information from a spreadsheet. So if I have 30 kids in my class and I want to add their name to a question, I can do that using Form Ranger. And so instead of having to go into the form and change and add and subtract names, I can use Form Ranger. So what I would suggest you do is go in and you take a look, browse through some of those add-ons there, and see which ones work for you. And one of your assignments is going to ask you to show the different add-ons that you've added. So again, if you click on it, it gives you information about each of these different add-ons and what they do inside of Google Forms. So go ahead and try it out. Hope you like it.